How to create SHEIN account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your SHEIN app. Here we go. You will land to the shop page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Click on the option of Me. At the top you'll see the option of sign in or register. Click on it. First you have to click on this drop down and select your country. After you select your country, now over here you have to type in your mobile number or email address, or also you can continue with Google, Facebook or Apple ID. For now, I'm gonna type in my email address. After you type in the email address or mobile number, click on continue. Now you have to generate password for your account. Make sure your password fulfill all of these requirements. After you fill this, check in for this option, I agree, and then click on register. Now over here you have to type in your phone number. Once you type in the phone number, you will get verification code in the phone number that you have just entered over here. Put that verification code over here. Check in for this option and click on submit, or also you can skip this process. For now, I will not be adding phone number in my account, so I will be skipping this process. Registration successful. Welcome to SHEIN. With that, I have just created my account. So this is how you can easily create SHEIN account. This was really simple and quick process. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.